Hello guys, and welcome to another David Zamalata. As you guys know, I've been working on my home project here. This bathroom here right behind this window, that's actually where I've been working. Believe it or not guys, that window is no longer in the bathroom. But anyways, that's not what we're here for today. You guys probably clicked on this video so you could see this Ridgid wet saw, you know, for like tile and stuff unboxing and review, and that's actually what I intend to give it to you guys. And the reason I'm actually sharing about the bathroom situation, because I finally got it ready to lay some tile, so it's the perfect time for me to do an unboxing and test out this Ridgid. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it from my friends that actually do tile, stuff like that. So let's begin without no further ado. So cutting some of the stuff off. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do this weird type of unboxing, the way we're gonna make our own little lid. Boom. We're just gonna do it like that. Wow, what a perfect side to begin with. I didn't even know that that's actually the way things are. Let me point the camera down so you guys could see the rest of the unboxing. So here we go. What do we have here? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this saw out of here. So here we go guys, I got it out of the box. So what else do we need to do? Is remove some of this styrofoam. Wow, it's packed quite tight. So it looks like I need to break some pieces here. Looks like here we have some of these guides where you guide the saw along. Let's remove this. Boom. Oh, I unboxed it upside down. And that's okay. You'll get to see this upside down version first. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay. Now, what do we got here? Okay, so it looks like we have a lockable type of button here. I suppose it's to keep your kids out of there. Okay, so now flipping this around. Oh man, looks like I just came out with a perfect table, my cooler. So what is this? This lifts up here and have Ridgid instruction, very important stuff. And we got this, oh, this bag is glued, okay. This piece to cover its cutting blade. This little adapter, one more little thing, and this thing. Okay, so what is this? This seems like a plug. Yeah, that makes quite a lot of sense. This looks like it's used to make a nice level. Let me show it to you guys. Maybe that's not how you install it, but that's the way I'm going to install it, guys. It seemed like it fit perfectly in this position. Alright, so what do we have here? These bags, they kind of fool you. You're thinking this is already open, and it's not. We have this. Stick it on the side. Pull this out. I mean, this makes a lot of sense here. Okay, here's another little adjustment little thing. Looks like we got some foldable things here. Well, anyways guys, upon a closer inspection, I do have this It is called a blade. I was gonna call it a blade. I'm thinking, man, I'm probably calling it wrong because I like to say blade a lot. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and install it. It turns out that this bolt is already quite loose. So we're gonna pull this out, slip this in, goes all the way on there. Boom, install that. We're gonna install this bolt. Possibly just a snug fit would work. We got some of these pliers here. We're going to go ahead and tighten a little bit closer. So that is done. So let's install this blade connector here. Okay. Going to go ahead and stick this over here. I do want to make sure it's not going to be hitting, it's going to be just right. So I'm going to adjust it right away. Adjust it to where it's right in the center. Okay. Hope that's going crooked. And one more. Okay, so looks like for the tools, we're done for now. All right, let's do this next little bitty thing. So you just take this as it comes and slide it over. There's supposed to be something at the bottom. Don't make sense. It's kind of just like one-sided. But this seems like it holds fine, but it's just, there's nothing in the back here. Kind of weird. Okay. So now we have this thing, which is for the angle of the tile. That slides right on there. Then we have this piece. So this we need to attach as well. For that, we're going to, wait a minute, let's see. It's okay. Thought I locked that in place, but I didn't. So this installs here. And probably just install it like it is. Guys, it's pretty much common sense installation. Wow, good job, Bridget. This is a pretty simple stuff here. And now we just add this back here. Jason, be careful. Okay, so close the lid. I'm not sure if I'm doing this one right because it just slides off, unless it's just supposed to. You take your tile and you slide it through. So you take this a little closer. Okay. So it looks like you just lock this into place for the kind of tile that you have. And just simply slide your tile right through. Like that. That's what it seems like. And you could angle this whichever way you want. So I think that's quite awesome. I think that's done there. So anyways, guys, the unboxing portion is done. We did assemble it. I guess the very next thing to do is go ahead and cut some tile. I will take a look at the instruction manual just to see if I'm doing everything correctly, if there's anything else differently that it needs, but I think we pretty much got it. So let's take a look at this here and see what kind of warranties. Seems like this is #1 selling. It is a 7-inch tabletop wet tile saw. You guys probably wonder how much I paid for it. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. Normally I think I see these like for 300 bucks. I paid $100 for this. I mean, it was a Black Friday deal, but I'm not really sure what these things are, like maybe like $150, maybe 200. But I think it's pretty good. It uses 80% less water. Oh, less water spray, because I was wondering, like, it shouldn't really use any water. And there's a 3-year limited warranty. So guess what? I will be keeping the box. I will put all the contents in here the way it came. And if I need it, I guess I will use it. But anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We're going to be, you know, cutting it and stuff like that. You know, cutting some tile. Hey guys, we'll be cutting some tile in a later video, but here's some tile that I have already cut to give you some good idea. Now, let me tell you guys, this saw is amazing. It cuts so awesome, it cuts straight. Everything about it is, man, it's beyond my expectations. I'm not an expert tiler, I'm just a homeowner, and I bought something inexpensive for myself. Yet I have talked to my friend that's a tiler, and he said that this is an awesome saw, and he uses something that's much more expensive, but he says, man, I know one guy that uses this and he's just a pro. And I was like so amazed by cutting this tile. Guys, it's so quiet, it sounds kind of like a water pump, and I hope this kind of gives you like an idea what you could achieve, I guess, with this kind of saw. But you know, just look, I guess, at my tile cuts, you know. It's pretty straight, it's pretty good, and I love it, guys. I don't think I'll be upgrading anytime soon. I really don't do tile for a living. I just want to cut some of my own stuff, but I will cut some tile for you guys because I'll be doing my floor and my other stuff. Well, on that note, guys, it is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and please like my videos. If you don't like it, of course, you could hit a dislike. You're not gonna hurt my feelings, and I'm gonna try to do my best to make you satisfied. Thank you so much again. God bless you, and see you in my next video.